Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing Adele Set Fire to the Rain. Hope you guys like it. Give me some views, comments, and requests, and just enjoy it. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say that were never true in the games you play. You would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say that were never true in the games you play. You would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up out of door and hope you come, must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I knew that that was the last time, the last time. Oh no, let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Let it burn. Thank you.